everybody, welcome to this unboxing. So I went ahead and got the Cricut Explorer Air 2 because I wanted to take my DIYs to the next level. So stay tuned for the unboxing. So right out of the box, we see that we have a scoring mat, the instructions, the machine, a marker, and the cords. So I'm just taking off all of the wrapping off of the machine, getting ready to see how to use this. I'm super excited about getting a Cricut. I've been thinking about it for the longest time, and they had a really good sale right around Christmas, and I am just now getting time to do an unboxing and play around with the machine. So I wanted to take you guys along with me. So here I am looking at all the buttons. The button on the bottom left is the open button. There's a compartment. There's also an ink cartridge, which I have to do a little more research to see what that does. Over here on the right is your knob that will adjust your settings and your buttons that allow you to print. Then here are your instruction manuals that just give you instructions on how to get started setting up your machine. It's really thorough and will come in handy. And then you have some tester sheets as well, which I thought was really cool. And then your instruction little booklet that breaks everything down into 4 simple steps. Once you get everything unboxed and plugged in, you're going to go to cricut.com/setup. You'll follow the prompts to create your account, and then you're going to set up your machine by choosing the one that you have, and it's going to walk you through getting your Cricut connected to your Wi-Fi. So of course, having Wi-Fi to utilize the machine is essential, and once you go ahead and get it connected, you'll enter in the PIN and go back to the app, and it'll go ahead and update your Cricut and download it with the most updated software. The entire process to update the Cricut did not take long at all. The whole setup process was extremely simple and anybody can follow it. Once you go ahead, it gives you the ability to sign up for Cricut Access, which gives you a more in-depth library of things that you can use your Cricut to cut. And then it takes you to the page where you're able to do a test cut. And that's where the sample cardstock comes in handy. So I'm going to pick the crown and I'm going to follow the instructions on the app to prepare the mat. I did not get video footage of this and I am so sorry, but I promise everything was super simple and easy to follow. And here is the sample cutout that I did, which is this cute little crown, and I used the sample cardstock that they included in the box. I also got the additional materials that came with the Cricut package, so maybe I'll do an unboxing with that a little bit later. But let me know if you guys love your Cricut down below. Thanks for joining me for another video this week, DIY Clubbers. I am so excited to play around with the Cricut and see what I can create utilizing this. Make sure that you like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more creative DIYs. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day and always keep creating. Love you guys.